Today we are in our inspection. We are going to be focusing on the attic. What I wanted to show you here was I already opened up the scuttle hole. Now this scuttle hole, the attic access is in the bedroom. Most of the time it's in a hallway, but it's not supposed to be in a closet. Per new construction, irrelevant to past construction, just glad to have one in the older homes. But what I wanted to show you was, before we go up the stairs, see how I got this blanket or I got this tarp down? This is to catch any of the debris that falls down into the house. It's to catch the insulation and stuff that comes from our attic access. As you can see, we're going to go up into the attic now. And as you can see, it's got all kinds of insulation in here. And what we don't want is this insulation coming down into the people's home. You don't want it to come into the people's home and make a mess. We are guests in the seller's home, and we want to treat their home like us to being a guest. So I wanted to show you. Now I also want to show you this insulation here. Now this is they got a good R30 insulation value in the home. We're going to break this video up into two different videos here. But what we're showing here is we do not want to walk on this if we can't find our floor joist or our ceiling rafter joist. And we got two different layers, so actually they're up to R40. This is awesome. But if you can't see that, in this case, the bottom cords of the trusses, then you don't know if you're going to fall through and get hurt or not, or you do not know if you're going to actually stumble across any animals. Well, and you don't want to get bit, and then you fall through. But also, too, more importantly, I want to show you here. I want to back up here and show you this insulation here. And this was right over the scuttle. See these layers right here? Insulation, the value of insulation is on how much dead air space is in it. So, when you step on it, you smash it. You've lost all your dead air space. You lose your dead air space, you lost your insulating value. So what you've done is that you've actually walked around in here and destroyed the value of the insulation that somebody's worked so hard on. This is very, very important, very, very safety issues and common sense. Well, I thank you for watching our video. This is part 1 of part 2. We will come to the next part in a little bit. Thank you very much, and you have a great day for watching it. Bye.